Before going to the next exercise, we will discuss the concepts. Division of integers. A divided by minus b is also equals to minus a divided by b. Okay, the condition is where b should not be equals to 0. In division, if 6 is going to divide 42, 6 is called as divisor, 42 is called as dividend, 7 is called as coefficient. Of course, 0 is the remainder. Properties of division of integers. Any integer divided by 1 gives the same integer. That means a divided by 1 is equals to a. We will see exercise 1.4. Evaluate each of the following. First question, minus 30 divides by 10. Solution, minus 30 by 10 is equals to, upon cancellation, the value is minus 3. For question B, 50 divided by minus 5, upon cancellation 50 by minus 5 is equals to minus 10. Minus 36 divided by minus 9, minus cancels, 9 cancels 36 4 times. So the answer is plus 4. Question D, minus 49 divided by 49. Minus 49 by 49 is equals to, this will cancels in one time. So the symbol here we have minus. So it attains minus 1. 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Therefore, 13 divided by minus 1. That means 13 by minus 1, which is equals to minus 13. 0 divided by minus 12. In 0 by anything is equals to 0. Okay. Minus 31 divided by, in brackets, minus 30 plus of minus 1. That means minus 31 divided by, the value will become minus 31. Therefore, minus 31 by minus 31, which is equals to 1. Next, minus 36 divided by 12 divided by 3. Okay, minus 36 by 12 is equals to 3, which divides again 3. So, minus 3 by 3 is equals to minus 1. Next question, minus 6 of plus 5 plus minus 2 of plus 1 is equals to minus 1 divided by minus 1. This is equals to 1. Next question. Question number 2. Verify that a divided by b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. So, for each of the following values of a, b and c, find out a is equals to 12, okay, b is equals to minus 4 and c is equals to 2. So, we have to check a divided by b plus c is equals to, a value is 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2. So, the value is minus 6. And a divided by b plus a divided by c is 12 divided by minus of 4 plus 12 divided by 2. That is 12 minus 12 by 4 plus 12 by 2. That is minus 3 plus 6, which is equals to plus 3. Okay. Since minus 6 plus 3, here a divides by b plus c plus a divided by b plus a divided by c is there. Next one, a is equals to minus 10, b is equals to 1, c is equals to 1. A divided by b plus c is equals to minus 10 divided by 1 plus 1, that is minus 10 by 2, this is equals to minus 5. And a divided by b plus a divided by c, that is minus 10 divided by 1 plus minus 10 divided by 1, that is minus 10 plus of minus 10, this is equals to minus 20. Since minus 5 is not equals to minus 20, here a divided by b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. Question number 3, fill in the blanks. 369 divided by dash is equals to 369. The answer is 1. Next, minus 75 divided by dash is equals to minus 1. The answer is minus 75. Okay. Because if you can divide minus 75 by 75 is equals to minus 1. Okay. Minus 206 divided by dash is equals to 1. That means again you have to divide with minus 206. Therefore, minus 206 divided by minus 206 is equals to 1. 87 divided by dash is equals to 87. It is 1 because 87 by 1 is equals to 87. Next question is dash divided by 1 is equals to minus 87. It is minus 87. When minus 87 divides with 1, the answer is minus 87. Dash divides 48. This is equals to minus 1. Minus 48 divides with 48 is equals to minus 1. 20 plus dash is equals to minus 2. So 20 divided by minus 2 is equals to minus 2. Next, dash divides with 4 is equals to minus 3. Minus 12 divides with 4 is equals to minus 3. Write 5 pairs of integers a comma b such that a divides b is equals to minus 3. For example, one such pair is 6 comma minus 2. Because 6 divided by minus 2 is equals to minus 3. Okay. Next pair is 24 comma minus 8 because 24 divided by minus 8 is equals to minus 3. And minus 12 comma 4 because minus 12 divided by 4 is equals to minus 3. Next one, 15 minus 5 because 15 divided by minus 5 is equals to minus 3. And 18 comma minus 6 because 18 divided with minus 6 is equals to minus 3. And the last one is 60 comma minus 20 because 60 divided by minus 20 is equals to minus 3. So these are the 5 pairs of integers such that a divides b is equals to minus 3. Question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees centigrade above 0. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees per hour until midnight, at what time would be the temperature be 8 degrees below 0? And what would be the temperature at midnight? Given temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees above 0, that is plus 10 degrees. The rate of decrease in temperature per hour is equals to 2 degrees centigrade. Number of hours from 12 noon to midnight is equals to 12. So, change in temperature in 12 hours is equals to 12 into minus 2, which is equals to minus 24 degrees centigrade. Therefore, temperature at midnight is equals to 10 degrees plus of minus 24 degrees, that is minus 14 degrees centigrade. Hence, the required temperature at midnight is minus 14 degrees centigrade. The difference in temperature between plus 10 and minus 8 is plus 10 minus of minus 8 is equals to 18 degrees centigrade. Okay. The number of hours required is 18 by 2, that is 9 hours. Therefore, time after 9 hours from 12 noon is equals to 9 p.m. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. So, this is what was given, and question 1 is Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 20 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted correctly? Marks obtained by Radhika for 12 correct answers is 3 into 12, that is 36. And marks obtained by Radhika for correct answers is 36. Total marks obtained by Radhika is 20. Okay. Therefore, marks obtained by Radhika for incorrect answers is equals to 20 minus 36, that is minus 16. So, number of incorrect answers is equals to minus of 16 by minus 2, that is equals to 8. Hence, the required number of incorrect answers is 8. And Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test, though she has got 7 correct answers. So, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Marks scored by Mohini is equals to minus 5. Given number of correct answers is also equals to 7. Therefore, marks obtained by Mohini for 7 correct answers is equals to 7 into 3 minus 21 marks. Okay, this is equals to 21. 7 into 3 is equals to 21. Marks obtained for incorrect answers is equals to minus 5 minus 21, which is equals to minus 26. Therefore, number of incorrect answers is equals to minus 26 divided by minus 2, which is equals to minus minus cancels, 2 cancels in 26, 13 times, 13. Hence, the required number of incorrect answers is equals to 13. Seventh question. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meters? The present position of the elevator is at 10 meters in the above to the ground level. It was given. Distance moved by the elevator below ground level is 350 meters. Okay. Total distance moved by the elevator is 350 plus 10. That is 360 meters. The rate of descent is 6 meters per minute. Therefore, the total time taken by the elevator is 360 by 6. That is 1 hour 60 minutes. That is 1 hour, which is equals to 60 minutes. Okay, I am sorry. It is 360 by 6 is equals to 60 minutes, which is equals to 1 hour. Hence, the required time is 1 hour to reach 350 meters. With this, we have completed this chapter and exercise. Thank you.